वेलकम टू डाइस क्रांति।
जहां हम कुछ दोस्त मिलकर डंजन्स एंड ड्रैगन्स यानी D&D खेलते हैं।
हम में से एक इंसान होता है डंजन मास्टर यानी कि डीएम।
जिसके लिखे गए कहानी में बाकी सारे प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं।
ये DM इस गेम का स्टोरी टेलर है।
इस स्टोरी में होते हैं मॉन्स्टर्स, दुश्मन एंड अलग अलग टाइप के चैलेंजेस।
प्लेयर्स जो चाहे वो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हर एक्शन का आउटकम डिसाइड करेंगे ये डाइस।
डाइस पर अगर हाई नंबर आया तो सक्सेस, वरना फेलियर।
डीएम इस सिचुएशन में एक रेफरी या अंपायर के तरह होता है।
और स्टोरी के प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए प्लेयर्स कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं डाइस क्रांति।
Oh my god.
You see Gunpowder Ghanshyam, the
Very
Goblin King,
unexpected plot twist.
in right here in this passage.
So we roll for initiative.
Oh,
Oh my
Makes
god.
more sense. You kept saying annoying voice.
Now everything makes sense.
Okay, so
I'm assuming these are gunpowder barrels.
I don't know. Who rolled between 20 to 15?
23 रोल किया मैं पार कर दिया भाई.
Oh damn. Okay, so Arjun is first.
I rolled a 14. Omkar rolled a 14.
Okay, so you guys can decide who goes first on both of your turns. And I
chalega,
think
that's
Anna is
12.
12. All right, and then it is Ghanshyam. Arjun, it is your turn with 1K or Omkar up next. What are you doing?
So I would use my cunning action for a dash.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then how far can I go?
It's basically a dash, no? So what's your speed? You can go double the 30, no? So you can go 60, which is like 12 boxes.
I'll run up to him, and then I have like a rapier and a dagger. So I'd like to attack.
Ooh, 13? 13 doesn't hit. As you get close to him and you pull out your rapier, clearly notices you coming running across the room and
Yeah.
he's just ready to dodge it. Gunpowder Ghanshyam ko marna itna aasan nahi. And as he dodges it, Arjun, you notice that there is a golden knife, the Sunheri Rampuri, that is dangling from his belt. I think
Right.
that would be your turn. Banke and Omkar, who of you is going first?
एक second, just before we move. So if I am dual wielding, right?
Ha. If your first weapon hits, then you get a second
Yeah.
attack.
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay.
Right. I want to walk right up to his face, and this is unrelated to this campaign, but use my large hammer and smack him on his chest.
Okay.
An inside joke offline campaign callback. Nice.
Yeah.
Go ahead, roll attack.
Right. So I'm gonna use my warhammer. Two-handed, so I'm gonna do a basically great weapon fighting thing. So if I roll a 1 or a 2 on a damage die for an attack, so I can re-roll that.
Reroll that, okay.
Use the new, but I must use the new one anyway in spite of that. So
Yeah, it's
one
part of
re-roll
that.
मिलेगा मेरे को.
And that is if the attack hits.
So I do 18.
Oh, 18 definitely
Does an 18
hits.
hit?
Yes.
All right. So damage, let's see, 7 bludgeoning.
Nice. So you just swing your hammer right into his chest and he kind of goes out of breath for a minute. He's like, he's still standing strong. That is, I guess, Banke, your turn. Now
That's my
Arjun. Not Arjun, sorry. Omkar, what are you doing?
I will first move here and I'm going to use my short bow.
Ooh, 10 doesn't
10.
hit. You shoot your arrow and just goes way past Ghanshyam and it hits on the wall.
और मार लो ओल्ड माउंट और
यार, तो भाई
कोकेन
मैंने भी तो पिया था.
Anna,
हाँ
it's
पर
your turn.
कोकेन मार लिए मैंने उस पे.
Okay, so I walk a bit closer and I feel something like there's some three anger points out of me to go and hurt this man. Or not three, I don't know how much. Yeah, 3 because I want to do magic missile basically. I'm gonna do 1 magic missile, 4 damage. It
And-
pakka hits, right? Huh.
Yeah, magic missile pakka hits, but are you just shooting only one?
No, I do all my this 3. All 3 I keep.
Okay, so I think you have to roll damage for 3 times for all 3 darts.
Huh.
Yeah.
Ooh,
There you go.
okay. Beautiful. So that is 4, then 3 and then 2. Holy shit, क्या much descending order में लगा.
10D, 9,
Uh,
putty. I just do every time I throw a missile.
Nice. Magic missiles hit him a lot. There's like puff of smoke that comes up. He's still standing. And is it your turn, Anna? I think that is it, right?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. So once that is done, it is now Ghanshyam's turn, and he just like stands tall in front. Although he's a goblin, he just still like stands tall in front of you guys, and he says,
अब मेरी बारी मैं भी खेलूं इधर आ साले तुझे भी पेलूं
He looks towards Banke. He takes out this like very anime style, right? Out of nowhere, just from behind his back, takes out a big, huge rocket launcher and he aims it towards Banke. And Banke, I want you to do a dexterity saving throw. And he just charges through Banke, and along with the rocket launcher, like whoever is in the way gets also attacked with the rocket launcher with like a fire on its mouth. Oh, I mean,
yeah, 18.
better. So
Okay.
you do feel the fire and the gunpowder, but you don't get knocked off of your legs. But you do take
roll हो रहा है.
you do take 7 bludgeoning damage,
इंटरेस्टिंग. मेरे को एक बात बताओ.
and he's
भैया,
gone. Wait,
आप हमारे चेहरे पे ही रॉकेट लॉन्चर मार रहे हैं. आप भी तो यहीं खड़े हैं ना.
he then turns around and he sees that Banke and Arjun are kind of grouped up together. He just puts both his hands in like opposite, like his right hand goes in his left pocket, left hand goes in his right pocket, and he brings out like 2 grenades that he throws at you guys. That's a ranged attack, so I'm going to roll for attack with that. 12 to hit Arjun. What's your armor class, Arjun?
14.
Oh damn, that doesn't hit. And I think 8 also doesn't hit Banke.
ना.
Alright, so both the grenades
16.
just go way behind you and they explode on the wall. Very anime style. Like there's a very freeze frame of explosion that happens behind you. Yeah, that is his turn. He says, कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार ले लूंगा. And we go to the top of the turn. Arjun, it's your turn.
Right. So, having noticed that Rampuri, can I use my cunning action to disengage, go behind him, and try and sleight of hand it?
Yeah, sure, but disengage is like, it's not like outside, like
You're not
distance
leaving his
play.
melee range, na? So you don't need.
Disengage is attack of opportunity avoid करने को, yeah.
So, I run behind him again and then try to do a rapier attack as well with backstab possibly.
Oh, go ahead, roll attack. Oh, 16 hits. Roll damage. Ooh, 10 piercing. Nice.
Nice.
So as you slash your rapier across Ghanshyam's chest, जिसका ऐसा like ऊपर का जो भी shirt or something whatever he's wearing, that also tears off and there's like a very huge long scar जो वहाँ पर बनता है. बहुत खून बह रहा है अभी उसका.
Dual wielding है by the way.
हाँ, second weapon अभी.
Oh, roll for second weapon. Go ahead. Nice. Ooh. Go ahead and roll damage. 5, not bad.
Nice.
So one with your rapier, another one exactly वही wound पे वापस you attack. It does as much damage, but you can see that he is visibly weak right now. All right, Banke, Omkar, what are you guys doing?
So I'm gonna move close to this guy. Firstly, use my bonus action to use second wind. So basically, I can do a 1d10 plus my fighter level, which is 2, to regain hit points to
Yes.
heal myself up. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll a d10. So I rolled a 9.
Nice.
So I
9 plus
heat
2.
back up 11. So
Yeah.
11. I mean, I'm back up to
Fully.
my maximum. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I ask this guy कि भाई हमारा सवाल का जवाब तुम दिए नहीं. एक बात वही पूछना था before I hit you कि आप सामने खड़े होकर रॉकेट चला रहे हो, आपको खुद नहीं लग जाएगा. आप थोड़ा सोचिए ना क्या कर रहे हैं. And then now this time I choose, like he's already been stabbed a few times, so this time I choose to use my great axe to hit him, and I swing my great axe.
Oh yeah,
Does a
15 hits.
hit? Okay. So I hit this guy for
Ooh.
7 slashing.
Nice.
Also, I want to use an action surge. Yeah, I'm gonna hit him with a great axe again. So
No, 11 doesn't hit.
yeah, take. Yeah.
As you swing your great axe for the second time and it misses, like Ghanshyam, knowing your movement and judging कि तू कहाँ से attack करने वाला है, just dodges away and he says, बंके रोज रोज दिवाली नहीं होती. That
Yeah,
is
आपका खून बह रहा है. आप देखो क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ.
Omkar, it's your turn. What are you doing?
I'm also going to come आगे, and I'm going to use my great axe now.
Oh, 14 just
14.
hits. Roll damage.
Okay.
Ooh, nice. So another great axe hit right from exactly from his side. He's bleeding all over right now, but he's still standing. He is weak, but he's still standing. All right, Anna.
I want an idea to know. You said that he is weak, but like,
Yes.
is he like verge of dying kind of type? Yeah.
No, not really on the verge of dying.
Because I, low-key, Anna basically kind of wants to keep him alive. and then have some talk with him, torture him a little bit maybe
Okay.
for wasting our time. Because I'm wondering if I could do that or not. I'll still attack, but I'll tell the others that try not to kill him. Thoda baatcheet we'll do. We'll threaten him a little bit. He can't get away like this immediately.
सही बोले अन्ना.
What is the orientation of everyone? Okay, Thunder Wave would fuck everyone up. So,
No, third Thunder Wave will hit all of us.
yeah, I just do a cantrip then, a firebolt.
See if you can also use a bonus action. on
Oh,
it.
yeah, it
Oh.
hits.
19.
Ooh,
9 fire
nice.
damage.
You just land the
Ah,
firebolt right on Ghanshyam, and like his clothes are all on fire, and it burns where his wounds are right now. Yeah, but he's still standing. Do you want to do anything else? Move around?
Yeah, I think I will move around, like somewhere here, I guess. But yeah.
All right. Now it is Ghanshyam's turn. He looks that he's surrounded by all of you guys, and he takes out a few dynamite-looking fireworks. And
बारूद होया दारू मैं मेरे हाथ दोनों में डालूं.
and he just launches, like throws these dynamites up in the sky, and these dynamites explode right where the roof is. वहाँ पर ऐसा full roof के यहाँ पर explosion होता है, very bright, colorful explosion. Okay, so all three of you who are around him, give me a wisdom saving throw.
Wisdom.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh damn! Oh boy.
Oh no.
Okay, so all three of you are now frightened, and you will run as far away from him as possible. So you have disadvantage on ability checks and attack rolls, and you cannot move closer to your source of fear, which is Ghanshyam, for 1 minute, which is 6 turns. And with that,
Acha.
he
Okay,
looks at
okay.
Omkar, who's like in the corner, like very close to barrels, and also very close to him, and he says,
बारूद से भरा मेरा बाल करूं तेरी गुद्दी लाल.
and he throws explosive bombs right at you, which I'm going to roll attack for, and it is 18. Does 18 hit?
Yeah.
Okay. So the grenades just fall right where you are in your vicinity, and you take. Oh boy. You take 5 damage. Alright, that is Ghanshyam's turn. Arjun, it is your turn now.
Right, so I can't go towards him willingly,
Yeah,
and I
you
have
can't.
disadvantage on my attack rolls.
Yes,
I mean, I just pull out my short bow.
right.
And
You'll
then
you'll attack with
fire away.
disadvantage. So roll
Yes.
and we'll take the lower result. 11 misses.
Yes.
So your arrow just goes past Ghanshyam. Is that your turn? Do you want to again, like, you can move around anywhere else if you want. So you have your movement of 30 feet.
Yes, I would like to go like behind this box. So it
Right.
removes my fear, right?
It
No, fear
does.
is-
So your fear is gone. But again, if you come into the line of sight, I think it will. But yeah, is that your turn?
I can throw something from my backpack, right?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I have a flask of oil that I would like to throw at him.
Nice. You can throw.
So-
I would say you don't need to roll anything. You just throw it.
Right, yeah, I just take it out and yeet it towards Ghanshyam.
But yeah, you
Okay,
throw
let's
this
see.
flask on him, and
Of
since he
oil,
had
yeah.
his back towards you, he was attacking Omkar. So yeah, it just lands on his back. It kind of cracks open, and his back and his, like, a little bit on the floor is covered in oil. Anke, you or Omkar, who goes first?
Omkar, you go first this time.
Now, as you know, I've done some cocaine. Parts of my brain internally are like acting up, and now with this
Firing.
explosion hitting me, they activated, and it sort of gave me a power that I thought I didn't have, called Chill Touch.
Okay.
I would like to use Chill Touch. पीछे ऐसा shoulder पे
बंदे
tap
के
करेगा.
ऊपर.
Okay. And that's a range spell. So yeah, roll attack. Yeah, 14 hits. Oh, 6 necrotic damage. Nice. There's like a skeletal hand that just spawns behind him, and it just touches him, and you see that like the right hand kind of freezes a bit. He's like having struggles moving it, and at the same time he also takes damage. And now he's like very weak.
I tell Anna I can also do it. Look hand.
भाई एक बात तो माननी पड़ेगी, यहाँ पे आने के बाद लोग यहाँ पे हाथ पता नहीं कहाँ से निकाल रहे हैं, अलग अलग किस्म के। मैं भी एक हाथ खेलना चाहता हूँ। मैं पत्ते खेलने का शौकीन था, ठीक है, बड़ा अच्छा पत्ता खेलता था मैं। आई पुल आउट द पोस्टर राधिका। उसको बोला घनश्याम देख रहे हो ना इसे, अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे खून निकलते हुए, मजा आ रहा है तुमको, हैं? क्या मिला बताओ, क्या फायदा हुआ ये सब करके?
नहीं, दूर रखो ये पोस्टर तुम्हारे गंदे हाथों से।
भाई हाथ तुम्हारे गंदे हो गए हैं, गन पाउडर से खेल रहे हो, खून में लिपटे हुए हो, तेल फेंक दिया तुम्हारे ऊपर वो आदमी वहां पे, क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम? चलो कोई बात नहीं, एक काम करो, हम तुम्हारे तरफ ये ना एक्स कुल्हाड़ी फेंक रहे हैं, जरा कैच करके देखो कैसा होता है। आई हैव हैंड एक्सेस, so I'm gonna chuck it one of them towards his chest and
Disadvantage, right?
yeah, with disadvantage. Doesn't the poster do anything to mess with his
No,
head?
not really.
Okay.
Oh
no.
damn! Yeah, you throw the axe and it just goes way off. Like it goes completely past it. Could you roll damage for this hand axe?
Monka.
4.
Anna, you take 4 slashing damage.
He is right behind him. कैच करना चाहिए था ना, मैंने ऐसा कुल्हाड़ी फेंका, अभी कैच कर लो ना। My turn, yeah, that's my turn.
Okay, Anna, it's you with Ghanshyam up next.
Okay, so I look at Ghanshyam and I'm like, okay, a lot of games you have played. Now it is time for you to say good night. And then I do sleep. And so here I have to roll a 5d8. And if it's more than the creature's hit points, then they'll fall asleep basically.
Oh,
Subtract it
okay.
from the
I mean
creature's
5d8. Yeah, I mean.
हाँ.
Sure.
Roll it. Oh my god.
Yeah, it is more than why he's very feeble, so yeah, it is more than his HP. Yeah, he falls to sleep. He
he
just
has
like
fallen asleep.
he's like and just falls asleep.
So now, is the others frightened? Can they still not come close or something, or what?
Now we are out of combat, so I would say they will still
The
be
minute
frightened
lag.
for like a little while because the 1 minute has to pass.
हाँ.
But I would say they can kind of, since he's asleep, they have a little bit of a courage to like get at least thoda sa closer. But yeah.
मैं
quick,
डब्बे
quick,
के
quick.
पास ही रहता हूँ इधर.
Come quick, everyone. Come time up.
अन्ना हमें थोड़ा डर लग रहा है उससे, उसने पटाखे फोड़े थे, तो आप जरा बांध दीजिए उसको।
I think you should. Most
अन्ना का
people do.
डंडा उठाया था क्या वापस वहां से?
Of course, भाई. मैं उधर छोड़ने नहीं आ रहा, मैं ये सब कैसे करता? I would say that everyone kind of calms down. He's still sleeping, and we don't need to necessarily tie him up. We can all just be like right around him, right? Just surround him.
Yeah,
Like,
but you know what?
before
Yeah,
he
by
wakes
this time
up.
I would say the 1 minute has passed pretty quickly since we are out of combat, so you can come.
So
closer.
I have a hemp rope in my backpack. I will tie his hands and legs.
Yeah. So what I would want to do, so flavor, that I would want all of us to go here. I want to first of all sit on that seat and see if something happens. Is that a normal seat?
It's slightly uncomfortable, like not that comfortable, but yeah, it's a normal seat.
So I want to sit on this seat
अन्ना ऊपर कैसे चढ़ा सीट पर?
with difficulty.
With
And
difficulty.
then I want Ghanshyam's body right here and us standing on all sides. And then I have my like quarterstaff, like the end of the quarterstaff,
Yeah.
kind of aimed at his neck. And then I wait for him to wake up.
Right. अभी ऐसा मैं थोड़ा सा अपना डब्बे में से चाय पानी खोला लेके उसके मुंह पे से छींटा मारता हूँ to wake him up.
Okay, तो उठते हैं. क्या हो रहा है ये? अरे हाथ किसने बांधे?
अन्ना,
Give him a little,
all yours.
give him a little slap on the face. Not enough to like hurt his hit points. You bloody rascal, wasting all of our time here. You have a lot of questions to answer now.
घनश्याम भाई किधर है हम लोग? ये क्या जगह है?
ये पता नहीं भाई, ये कबीरा सेठ ने इधर मेरे को सबसे पहले भेजा था, उसके बाद मेरे को इधर का रखवाला जैसा बना के रखा है, अगर कोई निकलता है तो फिर उनको नहीं निकलने देने का।
तो मतलब निकलने की जगह है यहाँ पे?
हाँ,
इधर है.
अगर मैं बता दूंगा तो यार कबीरा सेठ तो मार देंगे मुझे।
वांके भाई पोस्टर निकालो.
भाई देखिए, ये जो औरत है, इसका ना हमको पता है, हम पता लगवा लेंगे कौन है ये। हम इनका पूरा खानदान का जो घर वर है बिकवा के गवर्नमेंट के हाथों करवा लेंगे, सीज करवा देंगे। आप जानते हैं ना हम कहाँ काम करते थे, कितना क्या क्या कनेक्शन है हमारे।
इसको कुछ नहीं कर, राधिका को कुछ नहीं करने का।
और दूसरा बात यह है कि आपको कबीरा सेठ क्या मारेंगे, हम ही लोग मार देंगे ना भैया। आप
Yes.
देख रहे हैं ना आपका हालत क्या
We
है
are standing next to you, sir.
वो भी
अभी।
तो बात
and I
सही
take
है।
out my hammer and I place it right next to his head.
Roll
On the floor.
intimidation with advantage.
Yes.
11.
No,
नहीं,
14
14
with advantage.
Sorry, yeah,
that's,
14, yeah, 14.
that's enough. So yeah, he just kind of there's like ठीक है भाई, मतलब अभी क्या क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ भाई, क्या क्या चाहिए तुमको, बोलो ले लो यहाँ से जो भी चाहिए वो छोड़ दो भाई।
बाहर कैसे
बाहर
निकले?
जाने का रास्ता बताइए ना भैया।
बाहर जाने का तो एक ही रास्ता है, ये ही लाइक काइंड ऑफ गेट्स हिज बेल्ट अहेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम। ये जो ये सुनहरी रामपुरी जो है, इसको पकड़ो और एक मंत्र बोलो और चले जाओगे फिर बाहर। लेकिन इतना याद रखो, बाहर
What
चले
मंत्र?
जाओगे तो कबीरा भाई तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे तुम्हें, ना ही मुझे छोड़ेंगे।
व्हाट मंत्र?
जिसको अगर निकलना है वो सब ये सुनहरी रामपुरी को टच करने चाहिए। और मंत्र ये है कि नीम का
एक
पत्ता
मिनट।
कड़वा है, मुझे घर भागना है। और जिन को जाना है यहाँ से बाहर, उन सबको ये बोलना पड़ेगा। अगर नहीं बोले तो
मैं तब तक इसको अन्ना को साइड में लेता हूँ एक सेकंड के लिए। हमने अन्ना, ये भी हमारे जैसे इधर आया था, इसको भी पनिशमेंट के जैसा डाला था इधर। इसको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि हम इसको बचाएंगे, इसको फ्री करेंगे, इसको लेके चलते हैं, ये शायद हमारी मदद करे।
Very suspicious man, you are asking to come and help us. You don't remember all this stuff he's
I mean, आप ही बताओ, अगर आप इधर आ गए होते और कोई बाहर निकलने का तरीका नहीं होता, हम तो फिर भी 4 थे। अगर ये अकेला होता, जिसको जो मिला इसने किया, he made the best out of any situation। एंड मुझे बचपन मेरा भी सिचुएशन ऐसी थी, हम अकेले लड़ना पड़ता है, जो कुछ करना पड़ता है सर्वाइव करने के लिए करना पड़ता है। आई थिंक वी शुड ट्राई इट, मे बी परsuade him to help us out and we'll help him escape।
convinced me a little bit, but from my experience, you don't let go someone so easily. You will keep him alive, but one of his legs is going to be broken. By who I don't know.
अरे वो
Something he has
बांके
to
भाई का
remember for it.
फोर्ट है, बांके भाई का हाथ पैर तोड़ना, वो गवर्नमेंट वाला है, उनको ही पता है, बस फिर वो तो हो जाएगा।
Okay.
While these guys are having this discussion, I'm talking to Omkar, just making small talk. यार हमारे जो ये चाय भाई हैं, देखने में फुल चोर लगते हैं, लेकिन दिल के बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं। हमको लगता है दिल से बहुत हीरा आदमी है। आपको क्या लगता है ओमकार भाई?
देखो भाई, मेरे को बहुत हो गया अभी, या तो ये दे दो मेरे को, मजा आता है, नहीं तो तुम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे रहो, बातचीत करो, थोड़ा एक दूसरे से गेम्स खेलो यहाँ पर बैठ के। लेकिन मेरे को निकलने का है।
चलते हैं ना भाई, साथ
चलो।
में नाक तोड़ेंगे
That time
भैया,
says
हम आपके
we'll
साथ
come
चलेंगे,
back.
साथ में नाक तोड़ेंगे, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए।
We'll come back and so I tell Gansham, we have little change of plan. This gentleman has just saved your life, but for all the running around you did for us, there is going to be a consequence. And then I look at Bankelal, break his leg.
अरे नहीं, मैं तो बस मेरे को जो काम दिया है वो मैं कर रहा हूँ भाई। मेरे पैर क्यों तोड़ रहे हो? मैं तो कबीरा सिंह ने मेरे को इधर भेजा था, मेरे बोला किसी को बाहर मत भेजो, तो मैं यहाँ पर ऐसा हो यार, ऐसा मत करो।
I just take my hammer, dangle it lightly and just hit his knee with it.
ऐसा मत
देखो,
करो, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है।
घनश्याम भाई, क्या आपको इस जगह से निकलना है?
निकलना तो है, लेकिन कबीरा भाई थोड़ी ना निकलने देंगे।
अरे आप देखो, आप इधर कितने साल, 15 साल हो गए, हमने डेड बॉडी खाली पहले रूम में देखा है, इधर अंदर तक आज तक कोई नहीं है, सारे आपका वो में हम किया करके है। अगर कोई निकाल सकते हैं आपको तो बस हम है, वरना और इधर सड़ते रहो हजारों साल तक।
वो तो है, रोल परसुएशन।
ओह फक, कोई और कर देता है।
तूने बात किया, तूने कर।
7।
I mean, it's still good enough, I would say. He just like, he gets kind of a little bit ऐसा थोड़ा सोचता है तेरे बारे में, and then he says,
बारूद की खामोशी पड़ी मुझे मार, चलो तुम जीत गए, घनश्याम की हो गई हार।
अरे ठीक है भाई, मैं आ जाऊंगा तुम्हारे साथ जहाँ भी है, लेकिन पैर मत तोड़ना प्लीज। पैर तो 2 ही है मेरे पास, एक दोनों चलने के लिए, एक पैर पे मैं उतना एफिशिएंट नहीं हूँ।
तो क्या फिर अन्ना, बांके भाई, ओमकार?
थोड़ा सा तोड़ने का मन तो कर रहा है, लेकिन छोड़ देते हैं अब, लगता है क्या करें। मैंने बोला ना भाई, आदमी शक्ल से चोर है लेकिन दिल का साफ।
So yeah, I guess we all will hold
the knife and then बांके जी,
एक फिल्म देखी थी, अपने बेटे को लेकर गए थे हम,
अरे
उसमें क्या था ना, वो गॉबलेट ऑफ फायर करके एक मूवी था।
Bankelal, let us go to real world. Say everything you want. Free breakfast.
तुम लोग जैसे वो रामपुरी को पकड़ते हो, वो घनश्याम is still on the ground with his hand। अरे मुझे भी टच करवाने दो, तुम बोले थे लेके जाओगे।
उसको खड़ा करके उसको उल्टा घुमा देते।
4 of us hold the knife together and put it in his mouth.
But how will he say the mantra?
हाँ वही
अरे he'll mumble it ना.
को घुमा के उसके हाथ पे रख दिया आप लोग ने से
हाँ ठीक है
हाँ।
घुमा के तो सब
And
एक
then
साथ
we say-
बोलना है ना
हाँ
You guys, oh yeah, everyone has
I
to
mean
say
he's
it
saying
together.
it we will mouth with gunshot
wait.
No, what?
What about बिचारी मिस्टर मौशी भाई?
आपको अभी
बहुत
निकलना
बुरा
था इधर
है।
ओमकार
I
भाई
think she's very happy with her life here.
हाँ
She's very settled. She has found peace and quiet.
वैसे ही उसका उधर ऊपर तो धंधा मतलब मामलेदार मिसल ने टेक ओवर कर लिया है अभी सब
so what was the line
नीम का पत्ता
पत्ता
कड़वा है हमें यहाँ से
मुझे
बाहर
घर
निकलना
भागना
है
है.
मुझे बाहर भागना है
मुझे बार बार
नीम का पत्ता कड़वा है मुझे बाहर भागना. Okay.
हाँ
Okay, so everyone apart from Omkar gets teleported. But do you say it, Omkar, with them?
मैं बोला ना आवाज नहीं
अच्छा बोला क्या मेरे को नहीं सुना.
हमको नहीं आया
इसलिए मैं बोला कि बढ़िया all of you guys get teleported again, same white flashing light ऐसा आता है and you guys just feel like this a reverse of what you felt when you came here. Like you felt like you were falling. Either you feel like you are ऐसा getting pulled up, like sucked up in the air, and उसके बाद you land on a concrete ऐसा जमीन पर अंधेरा है
Land
आजू
where?
Blacked out
बाजू
हो गया
ऐसा ट्यूब लाइट वगैरह है थोड़ा दूर पे देयर इज अ वेरी फेंट लाइट रात का समय है एज यू गाइस स्टैंड you notice that you are at CST railway station and that is where we are going to end along you are here along
Awesome.
with
बता रहे हैं आपको हमने
Ghanshyam.
एक और मूवी देखी थी ये जो हैरी पॉटर सीरीज है उसमें ना स्टेशन में ही आते हैं.
हम लोग जाते he's just talking about
Yeah, it just that's
बांके
how it
भाई
just
यार.
fades to black while हमने एक और फिल्म देखी थी it fades to black credits roll.
And that was it for this episode. अगर इस पूरे D&D के सेशन में कुछ समझ ना आया हो, then make sure to watch these videos where we explain the basic rules of Dungeons and Dragons या D&D. And we'll see you in the next series.